What's the point of life?
So about your last relationship, you say that
Hmm.
you know it, like both you know about it, or you
Okay,
didn't know?
um, maybe okay. I would just say he because he's gay.
Oh,
Um, maybe he knows about that. I would just. But when I said to him, okay, here's the thing. I found out that there's some problem with my body. That's I went to the clinic, and yeah, I was so happy that time because the clinic is for free, and when they test me for random laboratory test, and I don't know, the ambient and that in that room that time, um, I was so happy. But after when they tested me, they just I don't know, calmly approached me and then said that I have that, and I was mental block. That's the only thing that happened to me. I was mental block. Like what happened? I don't have. I mean, I'm only in a relationship with one guy, and it happened to me. And after some time, and when I went home, I just my that time my mother is still alive. Uh, I just shared that information to them because I can't handle my emotions. And the good thing about my family is they accept everything, whether you are so dirty or you're doing those stuff, they will accept you. And I can still remember that time that my mother hugged me and cried with me. But of course, she also asked me for a confirmation. Like she said, she's going to absent at her work to because the clinic is so far from us. It's about 100 kilometers away from me, away from us. So we went there, uh, you know, a week after, and it has still the same result. And from that moment, I just I was in denial. So I messaged the one that I had a relationship with. But the bad thing is he blocked me. He blocked me on the messenger, and I can't accept that. I tried to message him on Telegram, and the same thing happened. Blocked me, and uh, that happened. And I use this one. Let me just type it here because I don't want any people. Because I know for sure um, that he is using this platform. Can you see that in the
yeah.
chat box? Yeah, I use that platform for us to meet, and he agreed. I did not use my real picture in there. I was using a different name, a different pictures.